All right, guys, I have a lot to explain, so I'm gonna go pretty fast. But pretty much, this was a video that I just watched from Medicosis. So if you don't understand, you should probably go watch Medicosis video on prostaglandins. But we're starting off with fast soluble vitamins, which is Kata, or vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin D, and vitamin A. Those are all the soluble vitamins, and this is the amphipathic plasma membrane. The amphipathic plasma membrane has water-soluble and fat-soluble sides. And we'll move on to the polysaturated fats, which saturated means fully bonded with hydrogen. So we look at this methane atom and we say, hey, this methane atom is fully bonded to as much hydrogen atoms as it could possibly be bonded with. So moving on, we have polysaturated omega-6, which creates arachidonic acid, which arachidonic acid can end up splitting to COX, which is cyclooxidase, and LOX, which is lipooxidase. And COX ends up creating prostaglandin G, and then that creates prostaglandin H2, which you can think prostaglandin G, prostaglandin H. Okay, and prostaglandin H is really where everything starts to move around, and you can see all from the arrows, but I'll just show you the main ones. So prostaglandin H2 creates COX-1, which creates thrombosis, or which is a thrombosis COX. So this is going to create platelet aggregation, and this is going to create constriction. So you're going to have vasoconstriction, and this is obviously going to increase our hypertension. And prostaglandin GH2 also makes COX-PGI, which you can think GHI, if you want to understand how to get to prostacyclin. And prostacyclin is just basically the antithesis of thrombosis COX. So it pretty much just allows for less blood flow, or it dilates the blood. So obviously there's a greater diameter for blood flow to flow through, and it keeps the blood cycling essentially, and it decreases the platelet aggregation. So let's go back up, and we have LOX. What is LOX? What is lipooxidase? So lipooxidase creates leukotrienes, which creates the 5-HPE TE molecule. I think that's a T, I don't remember. But this is, if you want to search it up, this molecule is extremely long. I did not want to pronounce it or write it down because I definitely will butcher it completely. But so the leuco A4 ends up creating all these different leukotrienes: leukotriene B4, leukotriene C4, leukotriene D4, leukotriene E4. And basically all these leukotrienes end up creating bronchial constriction, and also it increases the mucus, or increases the edema in the bronchioles. And so we do not want leukotriene, especially if people have asthma. But yeah, pretty much that's all the essential things that I got from this video. You should definitely go watch the Medicosis video yourself if you want to understand more. But peace out. I hope this helped you, and please like the video. Thank you.